Right, okay, so today we're going to take a look at the air reciprocating saw from Aldi's, which is Workzone branded, their own tool brand. So obviously to use this you're going to need a air compressor. Mine is just a cheap generic Chinese one, which I've had for about 2 years now, and it's been running really good. It's got a 50 litre reservoir, and it's the oil filled type. So on the back here it says it needs 90 psi working pressure, so I'll set my air compressor to that. And as with all Aldi stuff, it comes with a 3-year warranty. I have used the returns at Aldi's in the past for, I can't remember what tool it was now, but I basically just went in there and took it to the customer service desk, and they just issued me a refund because they hadn't got any in stock at the time. Because I mean, as you know, with Aldi special buys, they have them in for a limited period, and then they might not have them in for another 6 months. At the moment, this is in stock online, and it's also in some stores which stock the tools. So if you want one of these, they're £6.99, reduced from £14.99. So if you want one, I'd be quick and try to get in there as soon as possible. So yeah, let's take a look in the box. So instruction manual, probably won't need that. It's there if you need it. Small bag of bits here. A oil bottle to put some oil into oil the tool. Some saw blades, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 saw blades. A air fitting, which is the type that I use, so that's handy. 2 Allen keys there for tightening the blade in, and then the air tool itself. Nothing else in the box. So there we go. It actually doesn't look too bad a quality. I mean, some of the Silverline stuff, and I've had some of the Silverline stuff, the castings are really rough. These actually look like they've been finished to a reasonable finish. It's got a safety on the trigger so you don't cut your fingers off. And overall it looks pretty decent, so I'm just going to fit the air fit into it. I'll do that off camera. Okay, so the tool comes with a bung in the airline hole where the air fitting fits, so that did take quite a bit to get that out actually. Wasn't too easy. I got the airline fitting on there. I used some PTFE tape to make sure it was completely sealed up and wrapped it round the opposite way to what it threads in. So when you go to thread it in, it doesn't unwind itself. So I've already got some oil, so I've put 6 drops down there already, and then I'm going to run it for a bit, and then I usually put quite a lot of oil in it when I first get them to make sure it breaks in okay. So let's fit a blade. So there's this screw here which I need to undo. And then you need the Allen key. the airline up. So I'll just go and get some metal and see if this thing can cut anything. Okay, so I would suggest wearing hearing protection with this because it's going to be pretty loud and you don't want to go deaf. Also, some safety glasses would probably be a good idea. And yep, let's see if this thing can cut anything. Right then, so as you could probably see there, this wasn't powerful enough to cut through the sheet metal. The reason for that is it's nothing to do with the actual tool itself, it's to do with my air compressor. My air compressor just does not put out enough air capacity, so I'm unable to run it at full power. So yeah, it's a bit unfortunate. Since it only cost £6.99, I've wasted more money than that in the past on stupid stuff. I'm probably going to keep it just in case I do get a bigger air compressor, but yeah, that's the only thing that's wrong with it, is my air compressor is not powerful enough, unfortunately. So I can't really do a proper review on it, but when it was cutting, it did cut with a few starts and stops. But yeah, that's pretty much all I can say for this, really. If you get it, make sure your air compressor is powerful enough to run it. Okay, so yeah, I'd just like to say please subscribe, comment, and yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.